Hello, and welcome back. I'm Kim, and I'm really happy you're here today. Learning English is important these days. It is more than just a language. It can open many doors, give you many opportunities in this ever-changing world in which we live. More and more people are discovering how much English can change a person's life. English is an important skill. It is often referred to as a universal language, which means it is used as a bridge between people as they communicate amongst themselves so as to better understand each other. The English language will allow you to travel to other parts of the world. Knowing the language can lead to a better future, more choices, more chances to meet other people with their own experiences of life to share. My English lessons are aimed at people who are beginning their English learning journey. That is to say, many of the words and phrases that you'll hear in these videos will be simple, easy sentences, simple words. Whenever you begin learning something new, I always say it is better to learn like a child, as if you are at the beginning of your journey. You take your first step. Don't rush. You take your time. There is no need to hurry. I hope my English videos will be useful to you. If you are learning English as a second language, then these video lessons will help you. They will give you good advice. Whenever you start something new, remember, always be prepared. Don't rush. Take your time. You will find that as time goes by, it will become easier to understand the language. This is the best advice I can give. Learn English every day. But don't do too much. Take your time. Don't go too fast. Each small step will take you closer to your goal of speaking with confidence. Always remember, English is important. English is exciting. English is your future. English is fun. Saying hello and goodbye. What do you say when you meet someone? This is a greeting. As a verb, you greet someone. To greet someone is seen as friendly. It is a way of showing the other person that you are friendly. You will normally greet someone by saying hello. It is a simple way to greet someone. Hello. Hi. Hi there. You might use the sentence to greet someone. Hello. How are you doing? Hi there. How are you doing? The action is a greeting. Hello is normally the first thing one person will say to another. You can say it to one person or many people. When saying hello to a group, you will say, Hi, everybody. Hi, guys. Hi, everyone. When you say hello to someone, they will often reply with something. I say, hello. You say, hello, in return. I say, hello. You say, hi there. The response can be different. It doesn't have to be the same every time you say hello. Hello. Hi there. How are you? Are you okay? I'm glad to hear it. When two people leave each other, they will often say goodbye. There are many ways to say goodbye. Bye. See you. Catch you later. See you soon. Take care. Bye for now. See you around. People enjoy saying hello more than goodbye. To say goodbye means that one person is leaving. Two people will say goodbye as they part. To part means to leave each other. But saying goodbye does not mean you will be apart forever. Bye for now. Catch you later. See you soon. Until next time. I will see you soon for another English lesson. Saying please and thank you. Here is a nice word. Polite. To be polite. The word polite means respectful. To respect someone is polite. The way a person does something. A nice way is polite. A bad way is impolite. Politeness is the noun. You can use the word courtesy to show the action of being polite. A polite action is politeness. For example, if you want something, then politeness is important. The word please is often used as a polite way of asking for something. Please help me. Help me, please. Please come in. Please leave. Please, may I have the time? What time is it, please? The word please can be used at the beginning or the end of a request. As a warning, the word please might be used. Please, be careful. Please, don't run in the hallway. Asking for something is more polite when you say please. As a polite reply to something being received, we might say, thank you. You are grateful for something. You feel pleased to have something. You say thank you as a way of showing gratitude. You are grateful. Thank you for the lovely gift. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for your kind message. So saying please is a request. You ask for something. Saying thank you is a reply. It is the response to a kind action. That's all for today. Please join me next time when we will look at another part of the English language. Thank you very much for watching my lessons. I hope they are useful to you. See you again. How to ask a question. In everyday speech, there will be moments when you need information. You will need to ask a question. The action of asking something is common when a person needs or requires information fast. A direct question can be a request or an inquiry. A request is often made in the form of a question. May I open a window? Can I borrow your pen? Is it possible to see you tomorrow? All those questions are requests. One person is asking another for a direct answer to a request. A question can be in the form of asking for information. A direct form of a question is described as interrogative. For example, asking for a reason why a person did something. When asking someone where they were at a certain time is interrogative. Where were you last night? What have you done with my money? Where did you hide the treasure? To demand an answer is to ask an interrogative question. Any sentence using what, why, how, who, when, where can be described as interrogative. This is very different from a request, which is seen as non-interrogative. You might say that a request is a polite way of demanding something. May I? Could you? Will you? Can I? Is it okay if? Of course, any question needs an answer. But sometimes the answer does not come straight away. You might have to wait for a reply. The answer is reply, respond. The person being asked will give their reply. The words reply and answer can be used as given or received. You ask, I reply. I reply to your question. You receive my reply. The person asking will wait for a reply. There might be a time when a question is put forward without needing a response or reply. This is a rhetorical question. Something said in the form of a question, but not requiring an answer, is rhetorical. Could this day get any worse? Why do bad things always happen to me? Where did my life go wrong? Was my performance really that bad? Where do I go from here? The rhetorical statement is normally used when a moment of annoyance or frustration takes place. You ask a question, sometimes to yourself. There is no need for an answer. It is a rhetorical question. Before asking a question, you might say, "Can I ask you something?" which itself is a request. Sometimes more than one answer is required or needed. You might need more information in the answer. You might need to ask another question. This is often described as a follow-up question. A question can be described as a query. A general question about something is a query. One problem with asking a question is waiting for the reply. You might not get the response that you wanted. The reply might be negative. Will you marry me? How well did I do? Have I got the job? Do you still love me? So the next time you ask a question, remember to be ready for the response, for it might not be the answer you are hoping for.